Hello everyone, welcome back to Tithopedia. Today I am going to discuss pre-appointment behavior modification, which is an important concept in pediatric dentistry. As we all know, many children experience fear and anxiety even before entering the dental clinic. These fear may be due to previous negative experiences, stories from others, or fear of unknown. The main goal of pre-appointment behavior modification is to prepare the child before the dental visit and transform a fearful and anxious child into a happy, relaxed, and cooperative patient. So now let's discuss the different methods of pre-appointment behavior modification. There are two very important behavior modification methods. First one is pre-appointment mailing and second one is pre-appointment modeling. Pre-appointment mailing means sending helpful information to the child and the parents before the first dental visit. The main aim is to reduce fear, build confidence and prepare the child for a positive dental experience. The mail may include a welcome letter, a brief introduction to the pediatric dentist, dental clinic, and some photographs of the clinic, dental team, simple information about what will happen during the first visit. It also contains instruction for parents such as avoiding negative words like pain or injection, like pain नहीं होगा, इंजेक्शन नहीं देंगे, बहुत मज़ा आएगा, ऐसा वर्ड नहीं बोलना है बच्चों को. इसका एडवांटेजेस क्या है? ये रिड्यूस करता है एंजाइटी, इंक्रीजेस कोऑपरेशन, इंप्रूव कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द डेंटिस्ट एंड पेरेंट्स एंड डेंटिस्ट एंड पेरेंट्स के बीच में एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट इज प्री अपॉइंटमेंट मॉडलिंग. It was introduced by Albert Bandura in 1967. It based on social learning theory. According to this theory, children learn by observing and imitating the behavior of others. In this technique, before the dental appointment, the child observes a cooperative child who calmly undergoes dental treatment, and this helps reduce fear, builds confidence. There are two types of pre-appointment modeling. One is live modeling and another one is audiovisual modeling. In live modeling, the child directly watches another child of a similar age receiving dental treatment in the clinic. Seeing another child cooperative with the dentist encourages the observer to behave in the same way. Second one is audiovisual modeling. इसमें child को वीडियो दिखाया जाता है जिसमें cooperative child undergoes dental treatment. This method is useful when live modeling is not possible and can be shown in the waiting area before the appointment. Pre-appointment modeling का advantages क्या है? It reduces dental fear and anxiety, increases the child's confidence, improves cooperation during treatment, creates a positive attitude toward dental visit, and builds trust between the child and the dentist. That is very important. In simple words, children learn by watching others. If they see another child having a comfortable dental experience, they are more likely to cooperate during their own treatment.